I had a wonderful sleep. But where is Mom? Mom, I'm hungry. Where are you, Mom?
Good morning, my son. I'll make you breakfast.
Yes!
Let's open the refrigerator and prepare breakfast.
Oh, wow! There's so much food in here, Mom.
Oh, my dear, look, this is how breakfast is made. Dear, stay right here. I'll attend the call and be back.
Mom's not here. I'll open the refrigerator. I want to eat an orange. Oh no! The refrigerator is locked. What will I do now? It's so cold. Mom, help me.
Oh, what is this sound coming from the refrigerator? There must be some problem. My son. Oh no, what should I do, my son? How did all this happen? The mother cat's eyes suddenly fell on the hairdryer. Because of the mother cat's intelligence, the ice started to melt. No, my love, you are absolutely fine. Don't cry, and don't do this next time.
Sorry, Mom.